nursing assistant program. It's an 86-hour 2-credit program. It can be up to 14 weeks in a spring or summer semester. It might be as short as 3 or 4 weeks if it's held in a winterim, and about 4 to 6-ish weeks during the summer. We do still have some of our classes that are completely face-to-face. So the students come in for all 86 hours in the lecture, in the lab, and in the clinical setting. And then we do have some options where we call those hybrid. So some students may work through Canvas modules online asynchronously to get through that theory content and then still come in and perform all the lab skills with the instructor here, as well as all of the clinical hours at a clinical site.
The course is very immersive. It works around my schedule. These lab days are great. It's very interactive with great teachers and great students.
I really loved going to nursing homes and visiting people that don't really have a lot of social interaction, and it just made me really want to connect with them and be there for them. So I thought maybe I should give it a try. This is a great starting point for anybody that wants to be in healthcare.
This program is very forgiving, very hands-on, and no matter where you are, what you're thinking, I think you'll find yourself very immersed in the content that you're learning. I've really been wanting to do nursing forever, but I feel like if you don't really know what you're interested in, this would be a good kind of slow ride into introducing you into what nursing is going to be.
We start with the basics. We spend a lot of time talking about communication and how to speak effectively. And then we get into personal care skills, how to care for people, how to promote dignity, all the way up to basic nursing skills. And then we go to clinical, and they take care of real people in the clinical setting.